Hi everybody, here's how to find on-campus jobs using the Handshake job board. Go to losmedanos.edu/jobs. It will take you to our student employment page and click on the Handshake job platform here on the left side. From there, it'll take you to our Handshake login. Go ahead and click on Los Medanos College sign on. It will have you log in through Insight if you haven't logged in recently, and then you'll see here our Handshake page. Click on Jobs, and you can use this on-campus filter. So you can see here all LMC on-campus or remote student positions available right now, just like the student ambassador position at Transfer and Career Services.